Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix call failed issue in iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on about and check if there is any career updates available for you. So guys, if there is any career updates available for you, simply update it, and after this go back, tap on software and update your software to the latest version as well. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on language and region and select your country or region correctly from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply take out your SIM card for one time, and after this you have to insert your SIM card again in your device. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.